use the manual to produce this wire. So you need 50 labor, 100 labor. But with this side of machine, one side machine, we can saving 50 labor. So this can reach the speed 10 to 13 wire per minute. So this fully automatic instead of labor to slowly by slowly. The wire supplying system. So we have this tension system to control the tension of the wire, not so tight, not so loose. Also we have here the wire lighten, making the light. Ensure the wire is straight and also not in so much loose. So ensure the wire feeding is right. The wire supplying system. This is have 18, so you can have 26 or more of wire as per your customer requirement. And above beside this is the furrow. So except the furrow, customer also have this right side mark too. So all will be done by machine automatically. This is our semi-automatic machine. So this can use for this short wire. So automatically putting, it will remove the skin and twisting the copper and putting the lugs automatically. So here. The lug supply system. So here I have 32 lugs. So inside I have 6, and the 6. So different lugs. The machine will automatically come in to pick the right lug as per the production Excel in the computer. So you can come in to see the details, shaking hands. The shaking pan for different material using different shaking pan.